want to sing ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S.
What comes after S? T, U, V, W, X.
Carlos counts.
What did you say?
Carlos counts.
Oh, the cows are sleeping.
You have to be quiet.
Yeah, cows are sleeping. What does the cow say? Did they say click, clack, moo? Do the cows have typewriters, Harper? Are they cows that type? Okay, we'll just be very quiet. Can you sing your ABCs?
No.
No? Alright. Did you want to sing Twinkle Twinkle?
No.
No? Okay. Well, what do you want to do?
Elbow.
What?
Elbow.
Elbow? Yeah. Do you want to go home and eat dinner?
Elbow.
Elbow. All right.